Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Shakira binti Ahmad Nizam. I am representing my group to present the market structure of Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad. My group leader is Kishalini. My group members are me, myself, Nur Shazwani Akma, Nur Fatiha Nazira, Margaret Mutalia, and Tan Yun Wei. In this video, we will talk about the introduction of the Panasonic Malaysia Berhad, and next we will discuss about the total revenue, total cost, and total gross profit of Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad. Next, we will talk about market structure of this company, which is the market structure is an oligopoly market structure. And next, we will talk about the characteristic of this company. And the last one, I will conclude everything in this video. In this part, I will tell you more about Panasonic Malaysia Berhad. Okay, this company was founded in 1965, and now the factory was located at Section 15 Shah Alam, Selangor. This company is an oligopoly market structure because the competitive is slightly not too much and not too few. Okay, this company, Panasonic, was producing an electronics product such as vacuum, fan, cameras, refrigerators, and many more. The competitors mostly are not came from Malaysia, but it came from other countries such as Japanese, which company names Toshiba and Sony. So Panasonic competitive are not from this country itself. It was from the other country, which make Panasonic not so hard to survive. Nowadays, Panasonic have a few issues in their company. The first one, Panasonic was facing a labor shortage issue. This is because after COVID-19, more of humans don't really want to go to manufacturing as a production team, and because they will find that it's hard to live with a less salary but with the hard work they need to do, so they prefer more to do other things out there. And the second issue for Panasonic is there are impact of the rising raw materials, which is they are kind of hard to find their raw materials because it was made from aluminium, alloy, and etc. The third issue that Panasonic is facing is they were impacted by lower sales. This happened after COVID-19. In this graph, we have recorded the financial analysis data of Panasonic Malaysia Berhad from the year 2020 to 2022. In this analysis, we can identify the highest gross profit was selected on the year of 2022, which is much as 55 million and 5,000 ringgit, while the lowest gross profit is in the year 2021, which as much as 20,522,000 ringgit. The total revenue from 2022, which is from 448 millions, had decreased to 395 millions on 2021 due to the COVID-19. And the total revenue in 2022 had increased about 536 million ringgit Malaysia from the past years. It increased because of the great promotion that the company have did, such as to some sales of home appliances and the other products. That's all from me, and the next part will continue by my partners Nurul Fatihah Nazira.
My name is Nurul Fatihah Nazira binti Muhammad Ruslan. I will present about market structure of the Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad, which is oligopoly. Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad is an purely oligopolistic. An oligopolistic market often involves a graph with two axes, one for the quantity of good or service produced, which is X, and another for their price, which is Y. As we can see, this curve can be very depending on factors such as market percentage, variation in elasticity within subsets thereof. The oligopolistic graph presented by Panasonic sheds light on the peculiar market dynamics and strategic interactions among a few dominant firms. This highlights their independence as well as the possibility of coordination or competition when it comes to determining prices and output level. Next, I will present about the characteristic of the company. As we know, oligopoly means selling in large quantity. Among the characteristics of the oligopoly market for Panasonic business is that a few firms. This assumes that there are only small numbers of firms in the market, and Panasonic business belongs to one of the producers of electronic products in the national market. Next, another characteristic of the oligopoly market for the Panasonic is business homogeneous and differentiated. There are various differences that we can see in Panasonic electronic products and other business that same product. For example, Sharp business. As we can see, Sharp and Panasonic is electronic product. So as their washing machine is produced by Panasonic is high price, but the body can use in a long time, while Sharp is cheap price but the possibility to break down. And finally, another feature of the oligopoly market in Panasonic business is the existence of barriers to entry. Next, I will explain about conclusion. To conclude, Panasonic Manufacturing Malaysia Berhad has several competitors with a strong market position and and it is an oligopoly market structure. There are suggestions that can improve market structure of the Panasonic to expand the market. Malaysia Trade Development Corporation (MATRAD). Next, increasing the research and development R&D of the electrical and electronics product. And lastly, manner to improve financial status is to have a valid image of the financial status.